Ten. You are so smart.
See if you can get her to do it again.
We have to kind of just let her.
Really?
1, 2. What comes after 2? 3. 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? What comes after 6? Huh? 7. What comes after 7? Not 2. What comes after 7? Hmm? You would do it. Give me a watch.